Craving Helena Bonham Carter's quirky vintage magic in your own home? What if whimsical historic charm could transform every room into a playful Alice-in-Wonderland escape? Dive into this enchanting house tour that blends theatrical elegance with cozy vibes. You'll be spellbound. Step into this enchanting foyer where sunlight dances across the dark oak herringbone floors, making everything feel like a warm, whimsical hug from another era. That deep plum-mauve wall with its creamy, ornate molding whispers Helena Bonham Carter's playful magic, while the antique mahogany console brims with quirky curios that spark joy right at hello. Velvet benches invite you to linger, brass accents gleaming softly. It's the perfect theatrical welcome that sets your heart aflutter with vintage charm. Imagine sinking into the formal living room's plush velvet sofas in emerald and burgundy, sunlight pouring through those tall, arched windows like a gentle morning kiss. The rich oak floors ground the space beautifully, while plum walls and gilded mirrors create this cozy, eccentric nook straight from a Bonham Carter dream. Layered rugs and brass candlesticks add that playful historic sparkle, turning every corner into a delightful storybook escape you'll never want to leave. Curl up in the family room where that deep burgundy velvet sectional feels like the coziest cloud, sunlight warming the oak herringbone floors beneath playful Persian rugs. Plum walls with fancy cream moldings hug the space just right, and the mahogany media console overflows with whimsical treasures that make movie nights pure magic. It's all about that relaxed, theatrical vibe, Helena's touch making family time feel wonderfully alive and full of heart. Picture gathering around the formal dining table, sunlight highlighting the carved mahogany beauty on gleaming oak floors, creating such an inviting glow. Plum-mauve walls with their ornate details frame the velvet chairs perfectly, while the brass chandelier adds a soft, playful shimmer like Bonham Carter's own eccentric gatherings. Gilded china and damask accents make every meal feel like a whimsical historic feast, warm and full of charm. Oh, this main kitchen steals your heart with sunlight kissing the oak herringbone floors and that massive mahogany island begging for morning chats. Deep plum walls meet creamy moldings beautifully, brass hardware on cabinets sparkling with vintage playfulness a la Helena. Glass shelves tease with quirky teapots and curios, turning cooking into a theatrical adventure, warm, whimsical, and utterly irresistible for daily delights. Sneak into the butler's pantry, where sunlight reveals a treasure trove of mahogany shelves packed with vintage china on those lovely oak floors. Plum walls and cream moldings keep it cozy and consistent, the marble counter ready for your secret recipe magic. Brass pieces and velvet touches nod to Bonham Carter's quirky style, making prep time feel like a playful historic hideaway full of organized joy. Wake up to the breakfast nook's sunny embrace, oak floors shining under the round mahogany table by those garden view windows. Plum walls with damask flair and velvet chairs create such a sweet, intimate spot, brass chandelier twinkling playfully. It's pure Helena whimsy, warm sunlight, floral china, and cushions that make mornings feel like a delightful, historic dream you savor slowly. Settle into the home office where sunlight bathes the grand mahogany desk on oak herringbone floors, inspiring your best ideas ever. Plum walls with bookshelves bursting in vintage leather feel like Bonham Carter's creative chaos, velvet chair hugging you comfortably. Brass lamps and gilded frames add that eccentric spark, turning work into a warm, theatrical haven of productivity and fun. Drift off in the master bedroom's romantic glow, sunlight caressing the four-poster mahogany bed on rich oak floors like a lover's whisper. Plum-mauve walls and velvet drapes weave Helena's whimsical spell, nightstands twinkling with brass curios. Layered rugs and gilded mirrors make it your personal theatrical retreat, cozy, elegant, and brimming with historic warmth that lulls you sweetly to sleep. Discover wardrobe wonder in the walk-in closet, sunlight illuminating mahogany built-ins on oak floors like a magical reveal. Plum walls frame velvet-lined drawers and that marble island perfectly, brass hooks holding treasures with playful flair. Hat boxes and mirrors echo Bonham Carter's eccentricity, creating a warm, organized space where getting ready feels like joyful historic indulgence every day. Watch kids light up in their bedroom, sunlight dancing on oak floors around the carved mahogany twin bed full of velvet whimsy. Plum walls with cream moldings stay true to the house's charm, shelves of storybooks adding Helena's playful magic. Brass frames and cozy rugs make it a safe, theatrical adventure spot. Warm dreams and historic fun wrapped in architectural hugs. Relax in the guest bedroom where sunlight welcomes you to the ornate mahogany bed on gleaming oak herringbone, feeling right at home. Soft plum walls and velvet bedding offer neutral comfort with Bonham Carter's subtle quirk, nightstands glowing with brass warmth. Gilded art and rugs create that hospitable historic embrace, cozy, elegant, and thoughtfully playful for perfect stays. Cozy up in the home theater, sunlight softening the burgundy velvet seats on oak floors for daytime movie bliss. Plum walls with mahogany paneling absorb sound beautifully, screen framed in brass like Helena's stage. Drapes and curios add whimsical acoustics, turning film time into a warm, theatrical cocoon of historic comfort and delight. Unwind on the backyard terrace, where oak decking flows seamlessly outdoors, sunlight kissing mahogany seats with velvet cushions. Plum exterior walls and arched windows peek invitingly, roses climbing with playful historic charm. Brass lanterns and marble accents extend the house's warm Bonham Carter magic, making al fresco moments feel like an enchanting, cohesive outdoor extension. This whimsical vintage house captures Helena Bonham Carter's playful historic soul perfectly. Rich oaks, plum walls, and velvet touches creating timeless joy in every space. Let that eccentric charm inspire your own cozy corners, turning ordinary moments into magical, heartwarming adventures.